Let's code this frontend for this e-commerce page with these product cards. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. Let's start coding. So I'm gonna start with a few imports. You're gonna have to install these ShadCN components. So you can go here to ShadCN installation and do this command. So just click installation. And then for every component, you just go this command and then add. So you need to have card button. If you need any other components, you just keep adding. So these two. So you can find this code in my GitHub in the app sandals, and everything will be in this page. Other pages are for other tutorials. Let's continue. Interface review, ID, author, rating, comment, sandal product, price, name, ID, description, URL, reviews. So I'm calling it sandal because this was originally sandal, but I changed it to cargo pants, but whatever. Okay, let's do some product mock data. ID, name, price, description, URL. You can find these images in the public folder. So if you scroll down here, public folder. Reviews. Let's do a bunch of more products. So reviews have ID, author, rating, comment. Let's continue down. Star rating. All the Typescript stuff here. Div. Array of 5 stars. So you're just gonna say, so if the product has 4 stars, we're gonna color the first 4 yellow and the last one with gray, checking by index and rating here. Product card, card header, so we have this product name, card content, image. We have description and stuff, so this is what it looks like. This name, this is the name, image, description, price, reviews, add to cart button. So we're gonna add reviews, map all of the reviews, review comment, stars and author, and then cart footer. We're gonna have add to cart. And then we're gonna have the sandals page. We're gonna go div sandals collection, or this should be cargo collection, for example. And then we're gonna make another div. We're gonna map the products here. This is responsive to different UIs. And then product card. And that's it. Don't change anything else. So this is the last thing we changed here. This is, if I save this, we're gonna have this. So if you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.